Good morning, students. मैं रामपाल प्रजापत फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट in SDIT Dosa. Dear students, for this class, our subject is power system, and our topic is transmission line capacitance and cable capacitance. We know that a transmission line offers three parameters. First is resistance, second is inductance, and third is capacitance. In previous lectures, we have discussed about inductance of transmission line. Now in this lecture, we will discuss on capacitance of transmission line. Capacitance is the property of line or dielectric material due to which it stores charge in the form of electric field. What is electric field? Electric field around the electric charge is the region in which another charge experiences a force of attraction or repulsion. It means it is the field of a charge in which another charge experiences a force of attraction or repulsion. We know that two charges of same polarity oppose each other, but two charges of opposite polarity attract to each other. It means if a positive charge comes in the electric field of another positive charge, then that charge repels to the outcoming charge. Similarly, if a negative charge comes in that region, then it accepts it and allows to come in the field or attract. Now, according to Coulomb's law, when a charge comes in the electric field of another charge, experiences a force. And what is the value of force which is given by the Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law states that a force between two charges is directly proportional to the product of these two charges. It means F is directly proportional to Q1, Q2, and F is inversely proportional to the R square. It means if a distance between two charges is more, then the force between these two charges will be less. So, simplified form is F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. Now, potential difference between 2 points. What is the potential? Potential is the work done to bring a charge from infinite to the point in the electric field. Let me consider that, and there is a point a B and A point. A charge is brought from point B to A and distance is D1 or D2 from point Q as shown in figure. Now the potential difference between 2 points is integration of E dot dx along point D1 to D2. So the result is V12 is equal to Q upon 2 pi epsilon ln D2 by D1. See the potential difference between these 2 points. Now capacitance of a single phase 2 wire line. We know that capacitance is C is equal to Q upon V. C is equal to Q upon V, and from previous equation V is equal to Q upon 2 pi epsilon ln d2 by d1. So the value of C between two conductors is equal to C12 is equal to pi epsilon ln d upon r, or C is equal to 2 pi epsilon upon ln d upon r if there is a neutral point between two conductors. There is no neutral point, only one capacitance is formed. If there is a neutral point, there are two capacitance due to each conductor. Similarly, capacitance of a three-phase line with unsymmetrical spacing is given as C is equal to 2 pi epsilon ln GMD upon R, where GMD is geometric mean distance, R is radius of the conductor. For many types of bundle conductors, there may be two conductors, there may be three conductors, or there may be four conductors. For two conductors bundled equation, dBE is equal to R dot dB. For three conductors, it is equal to 1/3 of R dot dB का square, and for four conductors, 1/4 of integration of 1/4 of R dB square dB root 2. Advantage of bundled conductors. What are the advantages of bundled conductors? There are so many advantages. First is current capacity is increased, because in case of a bundled conductor, there are two or more than two conductors in each phase, so current capacity of the line increase. Second is reduced corona loss. Due to reduction in current density of each conductor, corona effect also reduced. What is corona effect? Corona effect is due to high current density, air of surrounding conductor gets ionized, due to which there is a sparking or hissing noise which causes loss of power. This effect is known as corona effect. This effect mostly seen in rainy season. Third is improving skin effect. What is the skin effect? According to skin effect, resistance of AC line in case of AC is 1.5 times of resistance offered by the conductor in DC supply. It means in case of AC supply, most of the current flow from the outer part of the conductor or from the skin of the conductor, so there is no proper utilization of complete cross section of the conductor, due to which resistance of the AC wire is more than resistance of a wire in case of AC supply is more than resistance offered by the conductor in a DC supply. So corona skin effect is reduced by increasing the skin area of the conductor or surface area of the conductor, which is possible by bundled conductors. Next is reduced line inductance. We have seen that inductance of a line depends on GMR, geometric mean radius, and geometric mean radius depends on the conductor. So in case of a bundled conductor, inductance or GMR reduced, due to which effects of inductance also reduce. Next is reduce line heating. Due to low current density, heating in the line or I2R loss in the line also reduce. Next is reduce voltage drop of transmission line. Due to reduction in heating of the line or losses in the line, voltage drop in the line also reduce. Now next is capacitance of a cable or capacitance of a 3-core belted cable. Conductor is a cable in a cable is separated from each other by the dielectric, and there is a dielectric between the conductor and the sheath. When the potential difference is applied between the conductor of the cable, then due to potential difference there is a combination of 6 capacitance as shown in figure. We know that in case of a cable there is a conductor which is surrounded by insulating medium. If there are 3-phase or polyphase cable, then there are more than 2 conductors, and each conductor is insulated by the insulating medium. And when we apply the voltage or supply in the cable, then due to potential difference between the conductors, a capacitance is created. Now figure show the capacitance in 3-core belted cables as shown in figure. There are ABC 3 conductors which offer capacitance CS, CS, CC and CC. Similarly, if a sheath is covered, then capacitance is R. Inside the sheath are CC, or with the sheath are CS. Now delta connected capacitance of CC may be replaced by star connected capacitance C1. The capacitance between pairs of terminals will be same in two systems. The capacitance between point A and B in delta system is equal to Cc plus 0.5 of CS. Cc plus 0.5 of CS, point A and B. Between point A and B. In next case, capacitance between A and B in star system is, when we take 2 points A and B in case of a star system, in which system? In a star system, then two capacitance are in series with of same capacitance value C1. So we know that when two capacitance of same magnitude of same value are connected in series, then their equivalent capacitance is half, that is 0.5 of C1. Next, in delta connected system, in case of a delta connected system, capacitance between point A and B will be, there are three capacitance CC, CC and CC. Two capacitance are in series, so between point AB there is a one capacitance of CC and second two capacitance CC plus CC. Both are in series, so the equivalent will be 0.5 times of CC. When this is 0.5 is come in parallel with CC, then equivalent capacitance across point AB in delta connection will be CC plus 0.5 of CC, that is 1.5 of C. We know that in a parallel, two capacitance in parallel are added. In the next case, if the neutral point N of the system be Earth, then the sheath is also at zero potential. Neutral point is Earth, then sheath is at zero potential, and S will become equipotential to that shown in figure. Means S will be at the same potential as shown in figure. C1 and Cs are the parallel. They are combined into a single capacitance C1 plus C2. It means these two capacitances are considered in which category? Parallel category. So these capacitances will be added directly. In next circuit, there is a star delta connection. So the simplified circuit is shown in next figure. Now the total capacitance CL measured between the core A and B. Since this circuit form a bridge, this form a Wheatstone bridge. So the value of CL is CC plus CS by half. That is 1 by half of the 3CC plus CS, that is C0 upon 2. Okay student, this is the cable capacitance. Now we shortly revise everything which we have studied in this lecture. Yes student, in this lecture we have studied only on capacitance of transmission line and cable. We know that capacitance is the effect due to which oppose the sudden change in voltage, and due to capacitive effect or capacitance reduce the storage capacity of charge of the dielectric medium. Now first we understand what is electric field. We know that electric field is the region of charge particle in which another charge experiences force of attraction or repulsion. Force depends on the type of charges. If both the charges are of same category, it means both charges are positive charges, then these charges repel to each other, and if both charges are of opposite polarity, such as one charge is positive charge and second charge is negative charge, then these two charges attract each other, and the magnitude of the force between these two charges is given by Coulomb's law. According to Coulomb's law, force between two charges F is directly proportional to the product of charge Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to the distance between two charges square. So F is inversely proportional to 1 upon R square. So the net force F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square, where K is, what is K? K is constant. Potential is the work done to bring a charge at any point in the electric field. Its value is obtained by the integration of electric field E with respect to distance dx. That a charge in electric field E is brought from point B to A. So the potential V12 is integration of E dot dx from d1 to d2. So its value is q upon 2 pi epsilon ln d2 by d1. Now we have to find the value of C, capacitance. We know that Q is equal to CV or C is equal to Q upon V, where Q in previous slide given as q upon 2 pi epsilon ln d2 by d1. When we put the value of q v, then the value of c is equal to 2 pi epsilon ln d by r. Unit is farad per meter. Now capacitance of three-phase line with unsymmetrical spacing is given as c is equal to 2 pi epsilon ln GMD upon r, where GMD is geometric mean distance. For symmetrical spacing, the value of c is equal to 2 pi epsilon ln d by r, where d is the distance between the conductor and r is the radius of the conductor. Now bundled conductors are of different types. There may be 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 wire or more than 4 wire. For a 2 wire bundled conductor, value of DE is equal to under root R dot D. For 3 conductors, its value is 1/3 of R D square. Similarly, for 4 conductors, advantage of bundled conductors. There are some advantage of bundled conductors in power system. First is current density is increased due to bundling of the conductors. Current density per conductor are reduced. Second is reduced corona effect. When the current density per conductor reduces, the ionization of gases surrounding the conductor are reduced, due to which corona effect also reduced. Improving skin effect means due to bundling of the conductors surrounding area or outermost area or current flowing area of the conductor increase, due to which skin effect reduce. Next is reduced line capacitance due to reduction in GMR, geometric mean radius between the conductor. Inductance value of the line also reduced, which we have studied in previous slides. Reduced line heating due to low current density, heating in the line also reduced. Next is reduced voltage drop of transmission line due to reducing current, voltage drop in line also reduced, due to which voltage regulation of the line also reduced. Now capacitance of the 3 core cables, belted cable. You know that in a conductor in a cable is separated from each other by the dielectric medium, which form a capacitance. There are different types of cables: 3 core cable, 2 core cable, 4 core cable, and so many. There are some connections and equivalent value of capacitance across the points. Figure show capacitance in 3 core belted cable. So the capacitance between point AB in delta system is Cc plus 0.5 of Cs. Similarly, in next figure, there are 2 systems, one is delta and second is star connected. In a star system, capacitance across point AB or any 2 points is equal to 0.5 of C1. Similarly, in delta, capacitance between 2 points is 1.5 times of Cc. In this figure, the neutral point end of the system, the earth, and Ch is also at 0 potential. N and S will become equipotential, so that shown in figure C1 and CCS are in parallel, so their combination into a single capacitance C1 plus C2. In next figure, there is a Wheatstone bridge, 5 capacitance of equal value. So the equivalent is 1 to 1 by half of C0. In this given figure, CL is equal to CC plus CS by half, that is 1 by half of 3CC plus CS. In case of a Wheatstone bridge, if the four branches of the bridge consist of same impedance, same resistance, same capacitance, then in the middle branch there is no current flow. So we can remove this branch from the circuit because there is no role of this branch in the circuit. It is the statement of bridge, Wheatstone bridge theorem. Okay, thank you for today class. Ask for answers.